All right, I've received another package today, and it doesn't look like it's in too good of a shape. It's from Palmetto State Armory. You know, they have their packing tape, then there's some clear tape on it. I don't know what the deal with that is, but as long as what's inside is undamaged, we won't have any issues. Plenty of, well, there's some packaging material. There's some packaging material here. Sorry about that. Little malfunction with the old equipment. I had got a package deal with 10 PMags, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and come on, let's see if this will come through. And one of the PSA 556 premium full auto bolt carrier groups. Let's see if I can pop this bad boy one-handed. Probably not, so just give me a sec. All right. It's one of their magnetic particle inspected, high pressure tested ones with the Palmetto logo. And the staking job don't look too bad. So, let's see. Yeah. Then there's some of their swag in here. You know, a couple of stickers. So that's what we have here. I got another box to open. And I think it's a bigger box, so I think I'm going to end up opening that one and then doing the video. All right, so hold on. All right, and what I have here, well, what I have is a box inside a box, and stuffed in the first box was this, you know, some swag, some whatever. And here's the second box that was inside the box. And here's the route I decided to take for the upper on my pistol. I decided to go with the PSA Marauder. I'm sure you guys have seen it. Let's see. It has all the necessary good things that you need. It has their proprietary flash device that's supposed to throw the concussive forces and flash out to the front instead of near the shooter. So I got this for $1.99 shipped. And I think I paid like $8 and something for shipping on the bolt carrier group and the 10 magazines. I think that deal with the 10 mags and the bolt carrier group was, I think it was like $128 or something like that. And then this was $1.99. So, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video and get this pistol put together so you guys can see the finished product. And here she is. Palmetto State Armory Marauder upper. See, it's empty. Their premium logoed bolt carrier group. Fraptor charging handle, shockwave blade, budget red dot that was recommended by 704 Tactical, UTG mid-height riser, and she's done. You saw that was empty. Here's one of those new mags I just got today. So I have that bad boy in. Alright. I've had this Palmetto lower since October of 2015 and never did anything with it. Threw it in the safe and pretty much forgot all about it. So now it's done. I can't wait to get out to the range to try this bad boy out. Peace out. Stay thirsty, my friends.